This product is for the people who are looking to smell good and want to keep their skin moisturized at the same time. So I recently got Solid Perfumes by the house of Raihaan Oudh, who have this amazing presentation. It is simple and elegant at the same time. All the Solid Perfumes that I have from them are their private blends and are enriched with shea butter and glycerine. That is for keeping your skin moisturized and make you smell good. The presentation is also elegant, where you get this leaflet which has all the information about the other perfumes that they have, plus how to apply the perfume. You can check the overall benefits of using Solid Perfumes, plus these are the steps. Now this is how the main product looks like. It comes in this metal jar which has twist to open lid, which means even if the solid perfume melts by any chance, if the temperature is high, it won't spill out of the jar. That is again some really thoughtful thing, because in India the temperature may get high. So all you need to do is just take a tiny amount of Solid Perfumes, this much, rub it in your palm and apply it on your neck, pulse points and even wrists if you want. Now you can keep it as it is, as you're gonna smell amazing anyway, or you can layer it with another perfume that has same scent profile. Sweet Leather has the main notes of apple, citrus, oud and sandalwood. Wild has the main notes of citrus, spices, lavender and patchouli. Brightness has cedarwood, rose, amber and white musk. Sensual has pineapple, apple, birch, jasmine and rose. Daphne consists of citrus, woody notes, lily of the valley and vanilla. And finally Oudhi, which has spicy notes, spices, wood and oud. These Solid Perfumes are alcohol free, FDA approved and lab tested. So extremely safe. Give them a try.